So when we moved to the northeast part of the city, there were two synagogues to choose between. There was one synagogue which was a little closer. That might have been the main reason why they chose it, because you could probably walk to it during, high holy days. I think it was also a little bit more conservative religiously. And then there was the big synagogue that was further away. It was called OCJCC, the Oxford Circle Jewish Community Center. And that's the one where everyone, went to and so forth. Okay. And that was so big, that synagogue. This is a great story too. I don't know if you realize this, that during this time period, if you were bar mitzvahed there, I was bar mitzvahed in 1962, they would have 4 bar mitzvahs at the same time. It's unbelievable, because there were so many young boys, 13, at that time period. Just to pick a date, you had to pick Saturday. I mean, there was only 52 Saturdays a year. 4, and they would split the Haftorah. They had to do it 4 ways, and so. Anyways, my parents sort of looked down at that, and then went to the other more conservative synagogue. This reminds me of this other story I want to tell you about, which you may have heard about. This Jewish man is marooned on a desert island for many, many years. Okay. And finally, after many years, a boat comes along, rescues him, and the captain and his crew come ashore. And the Jewish guy says, "Thank you, it's been so long, I'm so glad you're here. But before you rescue me, let me show you around what I've done here." And he shows him the house he's built for himself. He goes into a clearing, and he shows him this incredible, majestic building, which has a Star of David on it, and it's clearly a huge wooden synagogue. Okay. And the captain says, "God, I'm so impressed by what you've done for yourself here." And then the marooned Jewish man goes through another clearing, and he takes the captain and the crew to another majestic building with a Jewish star. And the captain says, "I don't understand. What's this?" And the Jewish guy goes, "Oh, that's the shul I don't go to." Okay. That's exactly what it was like. The other synagogue was that's the shul we don't go to. Okay.